Well, what a perfect night if you're going out to celebrate Valentine's Day.
Say I do again.
Yeah, I do again.
Right.
I used to go live from there a couple of times, and it's always interesting to talk to the different stories of the people who are renewing their vows again. In fact, there's a lot of repeat customers there.
Right.
I know
Do it
that.
every year.
And on top of that, you know, some folks have been married for 50, even 60 years that come out there. So, yeah, that was a live shot. Got a little hung up there. But nonetheless, a lot of people out there enjoying a beautiful day today.
Right.
You know, and I tell you, you couldn't ask for better weather. There's a gentleman walking around, and I can see him in the camera. He's got hearts like a couple of ears.
He's festive.
Yeah. Anyway, she's wearing a veil. We're looking at KCK webcam showing fair skies right now overhead and nice weather. Really beautiful afternoon for that ceremony out on Siesta Key, which is always well attended. And sometimes it can be cold this time of year, but not today. Different story. Fog overnight. That's the headline, and looks like for tonight. Tomorrow, storms will be moving in late tomorrow afternoon and evening. And some of those have a small potential for being strong, and then chilly on Thursday. So we'll get back slightly below average on Thursday and even on Friday. Well, the cold front itself is not that all impressive. That low pressure area is, though, moving through parts of Oklahoma and Texas right now. That will track off to the northeast and eventually move across parts of the southeast, I should say, over the southeast, and bring some rough weather here. In fact, there's a chance, a marginal chance, of seeing some severe weather across most of the peninsula, as well as South Georgia and into South Carolina. Now, it doesn't appear that we're going to see anything too rough like tornadoes at this point, but there's always that chance. So there's a lot of factors that need to come together for that to happen. Right now, that chance is very small, but we'll watch it nonetheless throughout the afternoon tomorrow. Sarasota, 70 degrees right now, so nice out there on Siesta, too. And as far as Sarasota goes, the dew point 65, and the temperature and dew point so close to one another that the dew or the moisture has to come out somehow because it can't hold it anymore at that temperature. So we could see some fog form late tonight. Winds will be out of the west-southwest at 8, and the pressure 2993 now. And that has been rising and falling very slightly throughout the last few hours. 70 degrees, I should say 72 now in Braden, nearly 70 into Venice. Currently, the high today was into the upper 70s and the normal high at 73 degrees. No rainfall. We could use a little bit. We're dry here so far for January and half of February. Temperatures along the coast, upper 60s, low 70s, still upper 70s inland. The winds will pick up. It will be breezy tomorrow, especially by midday coming out of the west and southwest, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts as high as 30 at times. Small craft advisories more than likely issued for coastal waters beginning by late in the morning and afternoon. And the front comes down. About the timing of it, this is at 3:30. One forecast model showing it starting to enter into Tampa Bay and then clearing the area by 8 o'clock tonight. So it's going to take anywhere from 3 to 7 o'clock before it clears our area. There could be showers, and there will be a few thunderstorms too, but it doesn't appear, as I said, to be anything too significant at this point. And then winds switch around to a northwesterly direction, really starting to cool things down beginning tomorrow night and Thursday morning, with lows into the 40s in places on Thursday morning. Well, the satellite and radar imagery is showing, you can see that storm system digging through parts of the south, I should say the southern plain states, and then another storm system moving into California, going to cause some problems there, not as much as it has been, but still some rain in the forecast for northern California. And you can see that rain falling now into Arkansas. Pretty quiet weather over the central U.S. Temperatures, it's 31 in Boston, it's 47 in Detroit, same in Pittsburgh, and 49 degrees now in Omaha, 51 in Wichita, and 48 in Denver. The same temperature in Dallas. For boaters tomorrow, I mentioned those winds picking up, small craft advisories more than likely for coastal waters up to 20 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet, and choppy conditions. The water temperature now warm, 72 degrees, and that could aid a little bit in those showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Low tide upcoming 11:23, and a high tide will be at 4:46 tomorrow morning, and sunset at 6:23. Sunrise will be at 7:04. Forecast tonight, some sea fog developing, partly cloudy skies, otherwise warm, 63 for your low. That's well above the average. Morning fog around tomorrow, then increasing clouds throughout the afternoon, a 78-degree high, so still warm tomorrow. Then showers and clouds move in late, and then we'll see east to southwest winds picking up throughout the day. And the extended forecast calling for cool weather on Thursday, still staying that way on Friday, and then 60% chance for showers on Saturday.